Hello guys, in this video I'll show you a Google Chrome extension with the help of which you will be able to download any video which are playing inside any website. So it will detect all the videos and show you the download links automatically. It's got 1 million installs. So the extension name is Video Downloader Plus. So if you go to the extension, simply search for this. So the very second extension which comes, this is the one, and simply add to Chrome, and this will simply add it. So after that, you go to any website, it will detect all the videos which are playing and give you the download links. So once it get added right here, simply activate this. So you will see the icon will appear something like this. And now if I go to any website right here, any video streaming website, it can be any website where video is there. So now as you click on this, it will detect all the videos. So those videos need to be your own videos in blog, or it can be anything. So the videos need to be owned by you. So it doesn't work with the streaming websites. So this needs to be some kind of a blog where videos are embedded